Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called FaucetPay. And maybe you're wondering, can you really make money from this platform? It says receive instant cryptocurrency payments from your thousands of websites and withdraw it to your personal wallet for a very low fee, okay? Let's see if this is legit. How much money can you really make, right? Or is this a big waste of time, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them really good, some of them so. A lot of them though, big waste of time. So let's check out FaucetPay to find out whether this is a good way to make money online or maybe there are better ways out there, right? Now, FaucetPay is basically a crypto earning site mainly using faucet platforms. And it's also combined with a GPT website, get paid to do website. So I'll show you exactly how this works, right? So the main thing here is that you can do a few things, all right? So you can basically go through faucets and earn through faucets. I'll talk about that in a second. And then it's also a traditional sort of GPT websites where there are offer wall surveys and pay-to-click websites. And you can also stake some cryptocurrency as well, right? So we'll go through each one in detail, all right? So the first thing is this can be available for anyone, anywhere in the world. So you can just come here, sign up, right, for free. You can get started, and then the first thing that you really need to do is you need to go into the faucet list. Okay, now the faucet list, basically what they've done is they are kind of like a faucet aggregator. All right, now if you don't know what a faucet is basically a website online where they allow you to make a teeny weeny bit of cryptocurrency. If you log into the website, you attach your wallet, okay, and you basically click on the faucet on a regular basis. Some of them are you click once per day. Some of them, it's a few times a day, right? So the faucet will fill up, and every time it fills up, you have to click on it manually. So you have to log into the website manually, and they will give you a certain amount of Satoshi or cryptocurrency, all right, for actually doing that particular task, all right? Now, I know that sounds really weird because there are a lot of scams out there where you have to you have to click on the website and it says it's going to pay you, but there are real faucet websites out there that are really legitimate, okay? Now, the big question is how much money can you really make from faucet websites? Well, the thing is you don't really earn that much because it's free and you're really not doing much. You're just logging into the website and you're just clicking on it, right? So they're not going to really pay out that much. I'm going to share with you exactly how much in a minute, okay? So make sure you stick around until this video. But essentially what you can do here is there's a whole list of faucet websites. They rank them in terms of different stars, right? So I would only go with the ones that have 5, kind of like 4 or 5 star. Don't go with the ones which are pretty low. There's some pretty low ones on the bottom. This is a very big list, okay? So 3 star, I wouldn't even bother with that, right? So make sure that the ranking is high. And then what you'd have to do is basically you would have to go to the faucet website, like this one, for Satoshi. You would have to sign up with this particular faucet right here, okay, register, and then basically you would have to log in and you would have to just click on the button, however often it requires you to do that, all right? And then once you do that, you're basically linking, for example, some of these faucets with your FaucetPay, okay? And as you are working on the faucet, these actual faucet companies, it will get funneled into faucet list, and faucet list will be able to keep track of how much coin or how productive you are, and they'll be able to allow you to withdraw through FaucetPay. Okay, now that's one way, getting through faucets. Another way is offer walls. Okay, offer walls are basically, this is very traditional. There are a lot of very large GPT websites that do this as well, and FaucetPay is exactly the same. They're kind of like an aggregator, right? So some of the big offer walls are people like TimeWall, Monlix, CPX Research, Lootably, okay? And what you can basically do here is with TimeWall, for example. So once you log in, okay, let me see if I can find one where they'll actually show you some offers. So for example, there are different types of offers. There are gaming offers, there are gym offers, there are credit card offers, there's casino offers. And the way it works is basically for you doing something, okay? So for example, with this one, it says that they're going to reward you with 1,173 USDP. Okay, so 100 USDP is equal to 1 USD. All right, so this one is roughly about $10, okay, potentially, all right? But it doesn't mean that you're going to make $10 just for clicking on this. You have to complete the offer, okay? So it says open the app, register and complete all tasks, and this offer rewards within 24 hours, new users only. That means you have to download this game and you have to complete all the tasks to a certain level. Now, usually when it comes to games, the way that they generally work is you have to complete the game up to a certain stage. Okay, so usually it's like stage, it's quite high normally. It's like stage 50 or stage 100. So, it might take you a while before you can actually complete all the tasks. Some people can't even complete all the tasks because the games are quite hard. All right, and so you may be able to get the $10 here, or 1,173 USDP, right? Or you might not get it at all, depending on how good you are at playing games, okay? Now, that's how offers work, okay? That's an offer wall. So they require you to jump through a lot of hoops, complete certain things. The casino offers generally require you to invest money. So sometimes $50, $100, $500 before you can, receive their bonus in return. So some of them are worth it. Some of them are not worth it. Sometimes it'll take you a week to finish an offer. Sometimes it's a few days, sometimes it's a few weeks. It just really depends on that offer, okay? So that's what offers are. Potentially you can earn some money here, but they do take a long time and they're a lot of work, okay? So that's the offer wall. Now, what else can you do? You can do surveys as well. Excuse me. So the one thing that I would say about the way that FaucetPay works is that with some of them, you see how it says here, hold on, in order to use this offer wall for surveys specifically, you have to at least have 7 different faucets this month. That means you have to, receive from at least 7 different faucets this month. That means you have to connect FaucetPay to at least 7 different faucets where you are clicking on those faucet websites regularly before they say, okay, I can give you access to CPX research or this particular survey. But you see, the weird thing is that there are a lot of other GPT websites where you can access all of these, TimeWall, Monolix, CPX research, and Lootably for free immediately and take surveys straight away. Okay, so this is not a special thing for FaucetPay. There are a lot of very legitimate GPT websites like Prize Rebel, like Inbox Dollars, for example, like Swag Bucks, where you can just join them for free and you can get access to the survey straight away. So I kind of don't like that they force you to do this, but the reason why they're doing that is because this is a faucet style GPT website. Okay, so they want you to come and earn mainly from their faucet list, so that you can join these faucets, click on these websites all day and earn a little bit of money that way, and then they will give you access to some of these things, okay? But just remember that you can get access to the surveys directly through other GPT websites, and you don't have to do it through the faucet strategy, right? Now, pay-to-click websites are just, you come around here, you just click on these things, you watch these for 15 seconds, 10 seconds, right? And this is how much you earn. And the nice thing that I like about this is they actually really show you how much you do earn, all right? Now, if you look at this, it's very, very little money. All right. So yes, you can come here and you can click on these all day, but you have to understand that look at what this is. It's not even 1 cent. It's not even 1/10 of a cent. It's 100th of a cent. Okay, it's very, very little. So while this may only take 10 seconds to watch, right, it still pays you extremely little. So in order for you to make even 1 cent, you're gonna have to click on hundreds of these before you even make 1 cent. All right, I hope that makes sense. So yes, you can make money from this, but you have to click on, hundreds of these before you even make 1 cent. It's very, very little money, and it's very time consuming, okay? So that's pay to click. FEY staking is basically when you can stake some of your money for a certain percentage of return. It's not that high. It's just a few percent, for a week or a month, and you have to put in your real cryptocurrency, okay? And that's essentially how FaucetPay works, okay? Now, how much can you earn from this? Now, let's go back to the faucet list, and I'll talk to you about how faucets work a little bit. Now, the thing that you need to understand about faucets is that even with the really, really good ones, now each faucet website is going to pay a different amount of Satoshi, a different amount of cryptocurrency, right? But even the really good ones will only pay between 1 cent and up to $1 per day if you're doing this for like 10 hours a day, okay? That means that, let's just say, for example, Cashfly right here. Or let's pick a different one. Let's pick the one that we clicked on earlier, for Satoshi, right? For this one, even if you were clicking on it like, the whole day for 10 hours, on the highest side, you will only earn about $1, but most of them won't even pay that much. Usually it's between, 10 cents and 50 cents a day. So it's a lot of work. You have to come here and you have to log in and click on the website all day, and you might only make 50 cents or 10 cents worth of cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, right? And obviously we know that Bitcoin, the price fluctuates, it goes up and down, okay? So even if you're a member of like 10 of these and you're running through them all day, clicking, right? All 10 of them for 10 hours a day, you still might only make, $1 in total. Maybe you'll make a few dollars if you're lucky, but most of them don't even pay that much. Okay, so it's a lot of effort to make very, very little money. I think that even if you got a job at minimum wage, you're going to be making way more on a per hourly rate, and then you can take that and invest in cryptocurrency, and you would make even more money that way. So faucet websites are real and they're free and they're legit, but honestly, it's a very, very slow way to earn cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you were to do that, you're literally if you were doing this full time, just clicking around faucet websites, again, you'll make between 10 cents and $1 per day per faucet website. It's really not that much money. And then when you come back here, you can also do the offer walls and the surveys and the pay to click, and you already know how much you're earning by pay to click. It's literally like 1/100th of 1 cent per thing that you watch. So you would have to watch hundreds of video to earn 1 cent, and that's going to take you hours and hours and hours. The surveys actually don't pay that much. They pay between 10 cents and 50 cents per survey. And then the offer wall, some of them do pay quite a lot. You saw over there earlier, up to $10. Some of the offers pay even more, but it might take you weeks and weeks to earn on some of those offers because of all the different hoops that you have to jump through. Okay, so overall with FaucetPay, you can't really earn that much money. On average, I would say with GPT websites in general, right? If you're working on the GPT website for a few hours per day, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours per day, on average, you'll earn between $1 to $2 during that time. Okay, so it's really not that much. I mean, maybe per month, if you were like hustling on this website, really grinding away at it, you might make $30 a month, maybe $60 at most, maybe $100 a month, but it's not that much money for the amount of time that you're spending on it, right? $100 a month on a, that's like being very, very, optimistic already, right? Again, $100 for full-time hours doesn't really make sense. But yes, you can earn a little bit of money here if you do that, okay? And you can withdraw directly into your crypto wallets, which is quite nice, okay? So you can choose a cryptocurrency, you can use the coin swap option right here, convert it into whatever currency, and then just withdraw directly into any crypto wallet that you have. And so that's FaucetPay in a nutshell, right? I think that, look, if you live in a country where $1 or $2 a day is life-changing, then FaucetPay is pretty cool, okay? But for most of you watching this video, $1 or $2 a day for working on this website for like 8 hours a day is not going to break the bank. It's not going to be life-changing, right? I think that especially on this channel, I've reviewed so many different strategies to make money online, that I think that something like this is really a waste of time. You would make more money working in a full-time job and then taking that money and then buying cryptocurrency, to be honest, right? Than sitting here for 10 hours on your computer just clicking around and only making like $1 or $2 maybe a day, right? It's just not a great way to make money, okay? So, even though it's free, it's global, I don't necessarily recommend FaucetPay, but if you're in a country where it would make a difference to you, then you can check it out here at faucetpay.io. All right, now if you're watching this video and you're like, well, Aaron, what's a great way to make money online then? Now on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, but out of all the good ones, I still think the best way is this one particular strategy where I think that an absolute beginner, someone who's never made money online, has the best chance of going from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, every month, if you do it, in the right way. Okay, if you want to check that out, I've got a free masterclass. Click the link below, and you can check that out step by step if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of FaucetPay. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.